Okay, coming into the manufactured house, there's sediment and dirt on the floor, and there was a 1 by 3/4 inch piece of wood right here, and it was sticky, and it was probably used for one of those magnetic screens. And we took it down. So all that needs to be done right here in regards to repair is to patch the holes and paint and prime. Okay, in here, I'm going to go ahead and close this window because I used it earlier to get the extension cord out. Now this is the window track. Right there, right there, right there. Yeah. And the windows, oops. And the windows are not clean. You can see that right there. When I came in, I had to pee, and I needed to use the electricity in this house so I could weed whack. I don't think any of the light or switch plates and face plates were cleaned. I know that there's new carpeting, so you can see I'm wearing socks. Yeah, they're not clean. I'm just double checking in here. Looks like there's still quite a bit of maintenance to do. Many blinds in the closet. When I was in this bathroom earlier, there was poo in the toilet, and the toilet doesn't flush, and here's that little shelf right here. Yep. And that's not clean. The faucet's clean, but that can be removed. I mean, I just scratched on it. I see a change in color. Looks like somebody was smoking a cigarette in the bathtub. Soap scum on the hardware there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. You can't see that. Yep. It's a beautiful manufactured home. I'm going into the master bedroom now. Pretty much, it is what it is. It doesn't look like the light's working in here. Come on. There's a crack right there. Cool bathtub. That under ledge there needs like a nice little brush. And there's rocks on the floor. Chunks. Rock in the window. Oh yeah, it does. Look at all that dust up there. Oh yeah. Some more. I haven't been in here. don't think I could reach that light fixture. It's really high up. Okay, we're in the kitchen. You can see fingerprints there. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the door. There's still maintenance that needs to be done, it looks like. Ooh, and there's an exposed hole right there. Looks like there might have been a leak from a washer, maybe. And again, there's that right there. Looks good. Looks good out the window. Yeah, and they don't remember to clean this part of an oven. However, the rest of the oven looks pretty good. We need a new fan filter, or that one needs to be washed in a dishwasher. Sprayed first. Sink's dirty. Okay. Like before, well, it's a little bit better than last time. A lot cleaner than the one at the other house. And yep. Okay, now you have a perspective of what the space looks like. And I'm going to leave. On the way out, I'm just kind of focusing on all this dirt that's on the floor right there. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like cat litter. There it is. Alright, so I'm done. That was the walkthrough. All done. I did the walkthrough.
Right on. Send it to me. I'll send it to Peter.
Doors are locked, windows are locked,
Okay.
lights are out.
Back door locked too?
Front door is locked.
Yeah, check that back. I don't know if we went out there or not. But...
I did.
Okay.
I needed access to the power on that side.
Yeah. Fine. You remember the code?
I do now.
Okay, good. Hey, can you call Marlon for me?